Welcome to Profit Potential. Starting a business is exciting, but choosing the right business structure? That can feel overwhelming. Should you go with an LLC, an S-Corp, a C-Corp, or keep it simple with a sole proprietorship? Today, we're breaking down the different types of business structures and exploring which one might be the best fit for your company. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of what each structure offers and how it can impact your business. Visual breakdown of structures. There are several ways to structure a business, each with its own benefits and potential drawbacks. Let's go through each one, starting with the LLC, or Limited Liability Company. LLC, Limited Liability Company. An LLC is one of the most popular choices for small and medium-sized businesses. It combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. With an LLC, your personal assets, like your home or car, are typically protected. This means, if the business faces a lawsuit or debt, your personal assets are less likely to be affected. Another big plus? LLCs are relatively easy to set up and maintain compared to corporations. But it's not just about protection. An LLC also offers flexibility in terms of taxation. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietor, partnership, or even as an S-Corp, depending on what's best for your business. However, LLCs may not be the best option if you're looking to bring on investors, as most investors prefer to put their money into corporations. Additionally, in some states, LLCs may face higher fees. S-Corp, the tax-saving choice. This structure is well-suited for smaller companies that can meet its strict requirements. Unlike a regular corporation, an S-Corp can offer significant tax advantages. S-Corp allow income to pass directly to the owners, avoiding the issue of double taxation that you see with C-Corp. Instead of the business paying taxes and the owners paying taxes on dividends, only the owners are taxed. However, there are some limitations. An S-Corp can't have more than 100 shareholders, and all shareholders must be U.S. citizens or residents. Additionally, S-Corp can only issue one class of stock, which limits flexibility when it comes to attracting investors. If you meet the criteria, an S-Corp can be a fantastic way to minimize taxes while keeping liability protection intact. It's ideal for companies with steady, moderate income and a limited number of owners. C-Corp, the growth-oriented structure. This structure is often chosen by larger businesses with growth potential or by those looking to attract significant investment. C-Corps are the default corporate structure, and they come with their own set of pros and cons. Unlike an LLC or S-Corp, a C-Corp has no limit on the number of shareholders, making it ideal for businesses looking to go public or issue stock. C-Corps also have more flexibility with stock classes, allowing companies to issue different types of stock to attract investors. But there's a catch: double taxation. The C-Corp itself is taxed on its profits, and then shareholders are taxed again on dividends. So, while it's great for high-growth companies, it may not be ideal for small businesses just starting out. Sole proprietorship. The simple setup. This is the easiest and least expensive structure to set up, perfect for freelancers, gig workers, and solo entrepreneurs. But, while it's simple, it comes with certain risks. A sole proprietorship means there's no separation between you and your business. You are personally responsible for all debts, liabilities, and legal issues that may arise. If your business encounters any problems, your personal assets could be on the line. If you're just starting out, a sole proprietorship can be a great way to test your business idea with minimal costs. But as your business grows, it's worth considering other structures that offer liability protection. Key factors to consider. When choosing a business structure, keep a few things in mind: liability protection, tax implications, the complexity of setup, and your plans for growth. If you want flexibility, an LLC might be the way to go. For tax savings and limited shareholders, look at an S-Corp. If you're aiming for big growth, a C-Corp could be ideal. And if you're just testing the waters, a sole proprietorship might be the simplest route. Every business is unique, and the structure you choose can have a long-lasting impact on your operations, taxes, and personal risk. Always consult with a legal or tax professional to tailor the right structure to your needs. Remember, setting the right foundation today can pave the way for a smoother journey ahead.